Hello everyone, this week we're going to talk a little bit about Google Smart Chips. These are little tools that are embedded into Google Docs and all the other apps that you have within the Google Workspace suite. Today I'm going to give you a couple demos and things that you can use right away in your classroom that's going to be beneficial for checking for understanding or voting, and as well as classroom management. Let's check it out. Alright, so we're in a Google Doc and I'm just showing you a couple Smart Chips and what they do. So within a Google Doc, you could go to the Insert tab and you'll see Smart Chips. Here are a variety of Smart Chips used in many different fashions, whether if you're in business, school, so on and so forth. But today I'm going to focus only on two of them. So Check for Understanding with voting chips are really cool. Here you could actually go to Insert, go to Smart Chips and select voting chips. They'll give you three different ones you could pick from, or you can do custom voting chips. So what's nice within here is that you could actually insert a few different Smart Chips for voting to check for kids' understanding, as well as see where they're at when it comes to how they're feeling. What's nice about this is that you could check for understanding at different sections or for the entire class, and as long as your students have editable access, they could actually vote for some of these as well, which I'm doing right now live. So the only way that these two work is if the students have editable access to the Google document, and it will work, so that's always a plus. And you could add as many voting chips as possible wherever you would like within your Google Doc. Moving on, there's document and self-paced management, so that you could actually add a timer within a document or even a stopwatch that runs actively. And what's nice about this is this will display actively on any student document as they're working. Why is it important? Well, it's going to help students to focus on time management for a document section, or just an overall timing that you want for a document itself. Once again, this information is within the Insert section. If you go to Smart Chips, you'll see stopwatch and timer, and they will produce the exact same thing that you see here. And from a student perspective, because I'm kind of seeing it right here, I'm using a different account here. You can see that it is actively working on this document as well, and I can check any one of these voting chips as well, and it will show on the original one here. So there's just a couple tools to show with you, but it's really great when it comes to checking for understanding, voting for a classroom, for voting chips, as well as using some self-paced management for time management within a Google Doc using Smart Chips. Hope you enjoy.